Mātauranga Māori. He aha tēnei mea. What do we mean by mātauranga? Mātauranga Māori can be described as knowledge, but it's more layered than that. It's not just knowledge, but also the Māori world view, the understandings of Māori. Mātauranga a whānau is knowledge that is specific to a whānau, hapu or iwi. It's about those stories from your whānau, from your whakapapa, that connect back to tūpuna ways. Our tūpuna have passed down many teachings to us through whakatauki, proverbs, waiata oriori, traditional lullabies, and Whānau Pūrākau, our stories of the spirit world. But there's also Whānau Pūrākau, our whānau oral histories that have been passed down through our whakapapa. Those oral histories are lived experiences, not academic book knowledge, but a life experience that is shared with someone else. These pūrākau aren't just what happened, but why it happened, the feeling in it, and everything else. These oral histories can also be called kōrero tuku iho, history or stories of the past. We can learn from these. I encourage you to ask your parents, grandparents, or the old people in your life about their stories and memories of their own parents and grandparents. There are lessons in these stories that we can learn from if we take the time to reflect on them. And you can find your stories too.
Puritia na tikanga ao tātou tūpuna me mauritia me whakamana te iwi Māori e ake tonu